Mike's new girlfriend. Hey, Sarah, long time no see. I've got some exciting news to share. I have a girlfriend now.
Wow, Mike, that's fantastic. Tell me all about her. How did you two meet?
Well, it all started at a coffee shop. I was waiting in line to order my usual caramel macchiato, and she accidentally bumped into me, spilling her latte all over my shirt. It was a coffee catastrophe, but it sparked the beginning of our quirky love story.
Haha, that sounds like a memorable meet cute. What's her name?
Her name is Emily, and she's absolutely amazing. She has this infectious laugh that can brighten up even the gloomiest day. And her smile, it's like a million rays of sunshine.
Oh, sounds smitten. How did you two get to know each other better after the coffee shop mishap?
Well, after the accident, we couldn't stop laughing. We decided to grab a couple of napkins and clean up the mess together. It was a mess worth making, I guess. We got talking, and before we knew it, hours had passed.
That's so sweet. How do you spend time with Emily now that you're officially a couple?
Oh, we're always up to something fun. We love going on adventurous dates. One time, we went to a trampoline park and bounced our hearts out. I must admit, I'm not the most graceful jumper, but Emily made me feel like a flying kangaroo.
Haha, that sounds like a blast. What are some other things you both enjoy doing together?
We're both foodies, so we love exploring different cuisines. We once tried this exotic restaurant where they serve deep, fried insects. Let's just say I discovered that crickets don't quite taste like chicken.
Yikes, I don't know if I could be that adventurous with my taste buds. But hey, it's great that you two have common interests. What are some qualities you admire in Emily?
Emily is incredibly kind-hearted. She volunteers at an animal shelter and has the biggest soft spot for furry friends. I've seen her transform into a human pillow when cuddling with kittens. It's adorable.
Oh, thou, that's really sweet. So, how long have you been dating?
It's been about 3 months now. Time flies when you're having fun, right? We've had our fair share of hilarious moments and silly arguments, but it only makes our bond stronger.
That's great to hear. What are some funny moments you've shared with Emily?
Well, one time we decided to try salsa dancing. Let's just say our moves were more like salsa splatters. We stepped on each other's toes so many times that the instructor gave us a special award for the most entertaining dance performance.
Haha, that must have been quite a sight. Do you have any plans for the future with Emily?
Absolutely. We've talked about taking a spontaneous road trip across the country. We want to visit all the quirky roadside attractions like the world's largest rubber band ball or the museum dedicated to mustard. It's going to be a memorable adventure for sure.
It sounds like you two are perfect for each other. I'm happy for you, Mike.
Thanks, Sarah. I feel really lucky to have found Emily. She brings so much laughter and joy into my life. I can't wait to see what other hilarious adventures await us.
Well, I wish you both endless laughter and a lifetime of happiness together. Cheers to your wonderful relationship, Mike.
Cheers, Sarah, and thank you for your kind words. I'll keep you posted on all our crazy escapades. My wife is a goddess. Hey, Sarah, I have a secret to tell you. You know what? My wife is a goddess.
Oh, John, you never fail to make me smile. What do you mean by goddess?
I mean it. She's like a divine being, someone extraordinary. She can do things that seem impossible to me.
Well, now you've sparked my curiosity. Can you give me some examples?
Absolutely. Let me tell you about her magical cooking skills. She can turn a few simple ingredients into a feast fit for the gods. Every meal she makes tastes like heaven.
Wow, that sounds amazing. It's like she has a secret recipe straight from the divine cookbook.
That's not all. She has this incredible ability to always find my lost things. I'm constantly misplacing my wallet, keys, and phone, but she has this sixth sense that guides her to them effortlessly.
That's impressive. It's like she has a direct line to the gods of misplaced items.
Exactly. And her intuition is unparalleled. She can read my mind before I even speak. It's as if she possesses some kind of telepathic power.
Oh, now you're making her sound like a superhero. It's as if she has a mental connection to you. That must be handy in so many situations.
You're right, it is. But her most divine power of all is her ability to make me laugh even in the darkest times. No matter how tough life gets, she finds a way to bring joy and light into our lives.
A sense of humor is a superpower indeed. Laughter has a way of healing wounds and bringing people closer together. It sounds like she's a true goddess of happiness.
She absolutely is. Sometimes I wonder if she has some kind of celestial energy within her. She radiates positivity and love wherever she goes.
It's beautiful to hear how much you appreciate her. Relationships thrive when we recognize and cherish the extraordinary qualities in our partners.
You're absolutely right, Sarah. My wife truly is a blessing, and I feel grateful every day to have her in my life.
I'm glad to hear that, John. It's important to celebrate and honor the special people who make our lives brighter.
Definitely. Sometimes I can't help but feel like the luckiest man on earth. I don't know what good deeds I must have done in a past life to deserve her.
Well, John, it's not just about past lives or luck. It's about cherishing and valuing the person you have in front of you. Your appreciation for her shines through your words.
You're absolutely right, Sarah. It's important to recognize and express gratitude for the wonderful qualities in our loved ones.
Absolutely. Love and appreciation are the foundations of a strong and lasting relationship. So keep cherishing your goddess, like wife John, and never stop showing her how much she means to you.
I will. Sarah, thank you for the reminder. It's been great talking about her with you. It makes me appreciate her even more.
Anytime, John. I'm glad I could be here to listen. Remember, we all have the potential to be godlike in the way we treat and care for others.
Wise words, Sarah. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the conversation.
You're welcome, John. Take care, and may your wife's godly qualities continue to brighten your life.
Hey, I'm into that. Goodbye, Sarah.
Goodbye, John. Have a wonderful day.
He is my son. Hey, Lisa. How have you been?
Oh, hi, John. I'm doing great. How about you?
Can't complain, but I have some exciting news to share with you. Guess what? I recently became a dad.
No way! That's amazing! Congratulations, John. So, how is the little one doing?
Thank you so much, Lisa. He's doing really well. He's such a bundle of joy. We named him Alex.
That's such a lovely name. How old is he now?
He just turned 1 last month. Time flies so quickly.
I bet he's keeping you on your toes. How's the experience of being a dad so far?
Oh, it's been an adventure, that's for sure. The first few months were a bit challenging with the sleepless nights and constant diaper changes. But seeing his little smile and hearing his cute giggles make it all worth it.
I can only imagine. Any funny or memorable moments you'd like to share?
Well, Just the other day, I was trying to teach him how to say daddy. I repeated it over and over again, and then suddenly he blurted out mommy instead. We all burst into laughter. It was hilarious.
Huh, that's adorable. I'm sure he'll get the hang of it soon enough. How does he get along with other family members?
He's quite the charmer. Whenever he meets someone new, he flashes his toothless grin and wins them over instantly. My parents are head over heels for him. They spoil him with toys and treats whenever they visit.
That's sweet. It sounds like he's bringing so much joy to your family. How does being a dad affect your daily routine?
Well, my sleep schedule has definitely changed. Late night feedings and diaper changes have become a part of my routine. But you know what they say, when you become a parent, you learn to function on little sleep. And it's all worth it when I see his tiny face in the morning.
Absolutely. Parenthood comes with its fair share of adjustments, but the love and happiness it brings are immeasurable. How about you and your wife? How are you both managing everything?
We make a great team. We support each other and take turns handling baby duties. We've also become experts at multitasking. You should see us trying to eat dinner while juggling a feeding session. It's quite the sight.
Haha! I can only imagine. It sounds like you're navigating parenthood with a great sense of humor. Has having a child changed your perspective on life?
Definitely. It's made me appreciate the little things and cherish every moment. Seeing the world through Alex's eyes is truly magical. The simplest things, like a butterfly or a balloon, bring him so much joy. It reminds me to find happiness in the small wonders of life.
That's beautiful, John. Children have a way of teaching us important life lessons. Have you started thinking about his future?
Oh, absolutely. We want to provide him with the best opportunities. We hope he'll grow up to be happy and successful in whatever he chooses to do. But for now, we're just enjoying every precious moment of his childhood.
That's a great approach. Childhood is such a fleeting time, and it's wonderful that you're savoring it. Do you have any advice for someone who's about to become a parent?
My advice would be to embrace the chaos and go with the flow. It's okay to make mistakes. Nobody's perfect. Surround yourself with a support system and don't hesitate to ask for help. And most importantly, don't forget to cherish the journey and create lasting memories.
Those are wise words, John. I'm sure many new parents will find your advice helpful. Well, I must say, hearing about your experiences as a dad has put a big smile on my face. Thanks for sharing your joy with me.
You're welcome, Lisa. It was great catching up with you. And remember, if you ever need any babysitting, I'm just a phone call away.
Haha, duly noted, John. Thanks again, and I wish you and your family all the happiness in the world.
Thank you, Lisa. Take care, and see you soon.